Hi everybody, Cheri Sicard, aka Cannabis Cheri here, and I'm here today with a review of a terrific low-cost stoner accessory and low-cost stoner gift that is extremely useful, and that is RYOT's Keychain Keepers. They are really tremendously useful, and can't wait to share with you all about them. Before I do, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a favor and hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos. Okay, RYOT's Keychain Keepers. When they first sent me these, I kind of thought, big deal. It's kind of Tupperware for your weed, I guess. But then I found myself using them over and over and over again. And I thought, well, wow, these really are kind of handy and useful. And then I found myself buying them as inexpensive little gifts for people because they're so useful. And everybody I've given them to loves them as well. So what is it? It's a small container for your cannabis, and it is essentially kind of like Tupperware for your weed. They have a very, very strong seal, and they're also smell proof. And if you choose to, they're also keychain ready. You can hang them right on your keychain, although if I was driving, I don't think I would have these on my keychain. But maybe on your house keys, you may want to keep them with you if you were hiking or something like that. But I wouldn't recommend having them on your keychain in your car just for safety's sake. But they're really, really handy, and the small one just holds a small amount of weed like you would use on the go. You could put a one-hitter in there and dip some out or fill your pipe with that. And again, it has a very strong seal, so it's not going to spill. It's also smell-proof. Now, the larger one is actually the one I like best because it also has a strong seal. It's big enough to put a couple of joints in there, to put your one-hitter. You could also put ground weed in there. Same principles apply. Very strong seal, keychain ready, and smell proof. So to take a little bit of weed with you on the go, these are very handy. They make terrific, inexpensive gifts. They're only $2 or $4. So I really recommend these as nice little stoner gifts. There'll be a link below with a coupon code for the RYOT website where you can get them. RYOT's Keychain Keepers. I love them.